How to identify signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which are usually a sign of happiness and excitement. However, it is not uncommon for dogs to experience tail injuries, with one of the most common being a broken tail. A broken tail can cause pain and discomfort for our furry friends, and it is important for us, as responsible pet owners, to be able to recognize the signs of a dog with a broken tail, especially when the injury occurs at the middle or middle tip of the tail. In this video, we will discuss how to identify these signs and provide some guidance on what to do if you suspect your dog has a broken tail. 1. Understanding tail anatomy. Before we discuss the signs of a broken tail, it's essential to understand a dog's tail anatomy. A dog's tail consists of several vertebrae, nerves, muscles, and blood vessels. When a dog's tail is injured, it can affect any of these components, leading to pain and possible complications. 2. Visible signs and symptoms. One of the first signs you may notice is swelling or bruising around the tail area. Your dog may also exhibit signs of pain, such as whimpering, yelping, or reluctance to wag its tail. Keep an eye out for any changes in your dog's behavior, as they may be a result of the broken tail. Additionally, if you notice blood or discharge around the tail, it could indicate an infection or open wound. 3. Changes in tail movements. Dogs with a broken tail often show changes in their tail movements. A normally waggling tail may become limp, immobile, or even droopy. Your dog might display a lack of coordination or have difficulty moving its tail properly. It's crucial to look for such changes, as they can indicate a tail injury. 4. Protectiveness or sensitivity. You may observe your dog becoming more protective or overly sensitive about its tail. It is common for dogs with a broken tail to be hesitant to let anyone touch or manipulate their tail region. They may growl or snap, indicating signs of pain. 5. Tail position. Pay attention to the position of your dog's tail. In the case of a broken tail, you may notice that the tail hangs down abnormally or is held in an awkward position. It could be pointing downwards, or there might be a noticeable kink or bend in the tail. 6. Diagnostic techniques. If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it is crucial to seek veterinary assistance for a proper diagnosis. Your veterinarian will perform a physical examination and may recommend additional tests, such as X-rays, to assess the extent of the injury. 7. Treatment options. The treatment for a broken tail will depend on the severity and location of the injury. In less severe cases, your veterinarian may recommend rest, pain medication, and possibly the use of a splint or bandage to immobilize the tail. Surgery might be necessary for more severe cases, especially if there are open wounds, fractures, or nerve damage. 8. Preventive measures. Prevention is always better than cure, and there are steps you can take to reduce the risk of your dog experiencing a broken tail. Firstly, ensure that your home environment is safe and free from hazards that could potentially injure your dog's tail. Avoid situations that may cause your dog's tail to be accidentally stepped on, such as crowded areas or busy households. Additionally, supervise and properly train your dog to prevent them from getting into any accidents that could result in tail injuries. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail, particularly in the middle or middle tip, is essential for ensuring the well-being of our canine companions. They rely on us to understand their needs and to seek proper veterinary care when necessary. By being observant and proactive, we can minimize the pain and discomfort associated with a broken tail and help our dogs recover more quickly.